As a coach, I spend my days with clients on the phone, online, meeting them in person, usually lunch or coffee somewhere. And then in between when I get a chance, it's nice just to get out in the woods on a beautiful day like this, a little on the cold side, but bright and clear and sunny. Cut a bit of firewood. I enjoy the pleasures of a warm, of a good log fire. Um, as the day unfolds, there's people will be contacting me about life issues or business or relationships, wellness, spirituality. There's a lot of questions, a lot of areas where people have where they get stuck, where they have questions and they're not sure how to move forward. And in a very short conversation, usually we're able to move everything along where they can discover the answers that they're looking for and be able to get out and enjoy their day as well. So as a coach, it's a really rewarding way to spend my time, my life. I use the skills as a coach to build my businesses, and then also to help people to build theirs and to build their lives. So if you're ever wondering about what to do in life, think about what the skills you have, and maybe think about getting some training as an apprentice coach, and join us. Enjoy your day.